Raw audio. The next setting I want to discuss is raw audio. When raw audio is set to high, the camera records a separate high quality and highly processed audio wave file. The medium setting is similar, but with less processing. The low setting is similar, but with even less processing. If you want to use this extra high quality audio file, you will need to sync it up in an editing program like Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't want to bother with that, you can just use the audio that's married to your video clip. Set raw audio to off in that case. Here's an example of raw audio high. This is raw audio high. This is raw audio high. And here's an example of raw audio off. This is raw audio off. This is raw audio off. Wind reduction. Wind reduction is our next setting. The available settings are auto, on, and off. I usually leave this in auto. It's not perfect, but it does help your audio sound better when it's windy outside. Here's a quick test I recorded in front of a fan. This is with wind reduction off. This is wind reduction set to off. This is wind reduction set to off. This is with wind reduction on. This is wind reduction set to on. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.